Google just released a coding model that costs 70% less than Claude Fable and beat GPT 5.5 in real developer testing. And it is open source, which means you can download it, fine-tune it, and run it without paying anyone a licensing fee. The model is called GLM 5.2. It has a 1 million token context window, and it was built specifically for long horizon coding tasks, the kind of work that used to require an expensive subscription to an AI platform just to access the capability. I am walking you through the exact setup in this video, and at the end, I am showing you the one workflow tweak that turns this into a repeatable client deliverable, not something you test once and forget. You are going to want to stick around for that. I am Paul James, and I show solo operators how to use free AI tools to build real service businesses without the subscription overhead most people think is mandatory. If you drop a like, share this with someone who needs it, and comment below, I will reply with a link to a free training I put together for you on how I use AI tools like this one to make money. Here's the thing most people do not realize. If you want to offer web design or custom internal tools to local businesses right now, you are supposed to subscribe to something like Claude. Claude Fable, the model everyone talks about for coding work, charges $10 per million input tokens and $50 per million output tokens. That pricing assumes you already have clients lined up and revenue coming in to cover it. If you are just starting out, that model does not make sense. You are paying before you have earned anything. And it is funny, the tools that get pushed the hardest in this space always seem to have the biggest commissions behind them. Just something to think about. GLM 5.2 flips that entire structure. $1.40 input, $4.40 output per million tokens. Open source license. You can download it, modify it, or just run it through their free interface while you are building your first few client projects. That is the FreeStack coding framework, and it changes who gets to compete in this market. The model comes from a company called z.ai, 753 billion parameters, context window of 1 million tokens, which means it can hold an entire codebase in memory while it works. On the Code Arena leaderboard, where real developers test models blind without knowing which one they are using, GLM 5.2 ranked number 2, right behind Claude Fable. In web development specifically, it beat both Claude Opus 4.8 and GPT 5.5. That matters because most solo operators offering coding services are building websites, landing pages, or simple internal dashboards, not massive enterprise applications. This tool was designed for exactly that lane. You access it for free right now at chat.zai. No credit card. You paste in your project brief or your existing code, and it starts building. The interface looks like any other AI chat tool, but under the hood, it is holding the entire conversation history and every file you reference without losing context. That capability, holding a full project in memory across multiple turns, is what most paid platforms charge you monthly to access. Here it is, the default. Think about what this means for someone offering web design to local businesses. One project brief. The tool generates the structure, the styling, and the functionality in a single session. You review it, request changes, and the model updates everything without breaking the earlier work because the full context is still live. That is a $1,500 website deliverable built on infrastructure that costs you $4 in API calls, or $0 if you are using the free tier. That used to require a Claude subscription and a Cursor subscription just to have the environment set up. Now it runs through one free interface. Let me keep building. Most people take what I just showed you and try to hand it to a client. That is where it falls apart. There is one thing you have to handle first, or it looks amateur. I am walking you through that right now. The issue is quality control. When you are coding with AI, the first draft works maybe 70% of the time. The other 30% has bugs, broken links, or styling inconsistencies. If you deliver that version to a client, you lose credibility immediately. The fix is a two-step review process. Step 1, you run the output through a basic functionality test. Click every link, check mobile responsiveness, make sure forms submit. Step 2, you feed the broken pieces back into GLM 5.2 with specific error descriptions, and it rewrites those sections while keeping the rest intact. That second step is what separates people who get repeat clients from people who just tried this once. Here is what that workflow actually looks like. A yoga studio owner wants a booking page integrated into her existing site. You pull her current site structure into GLM 5.2. You describe the booking flow she needs, calendar integration, payment processing, confirmation emails. The model generates the full page in 3 iterations. You test it. One of the confirmation email triggers is not firing. You paste the error log back into the chat and tell it exactly what failed. It rewrites that function and nothing else. The page works. You charge $800 for the setup. Most web design platforms bundle that booking capability inside a monthly plan that costs more than your client is paying you total. Your version costs you $2 in tokens. And listen, if you have not already dropped a like and commented below, do that now. I will reply with a link to a free training I put together for you on how I use AI tools like this one to make money. And if you want to see what my day looks like now that tools like these handle most of the heavy lifting, I have a vlog channel linked in the description below. A plumber needs an internal knowledge base for his team, something that answers common job questions without him having to stop work and walk someone through it every time. Before GLM 5.2, that would have meant subscribing to a custom AI tool builder or hiring a developer. Now you build it yourself. You take every PDF, process doc, and training video he has ever created. You paste the text into GLM 5.2 and tell it to structure a searchable question and answer system. The model writes the code for a simple web app that his team can access on their phones. You host it on a free platform like Vercel. Setup fee $600, monthly retainer $150. The infrastructure costs you nothing to run. That is a service business built entirely on free tools, replacing what used to require expensive software subscriptions. I know what that pressure feels like. I was working out of my brother's garage trying to build something with no budget and no clients. A $100 monthly bill before the first invoice arrived was not something I could absorb. That is exactly why tools like GLM 5.2 matter. They let you compete without the overhead. Now here's the part nobody tells you when they hand you a coding model and say, go build something. The output quality depends entirely on how you structure the initial prompt. Most people describe the project in 2 sentences and wonder why the result is generic. The trick is specificity layered in stages. First prompt, describe the user flow in detail. What happens when someone lands on the page? What actions they take? What they see after each click? Second prompt, define the visual style. Colors, fonts, layout preferences. Third prompt, list every edge case and error state you can think of. What happens if someone submits a form with a missing field? What displays if the page loads slowly? GLM 5.2 uses that structured input to build something that feels custom, not templated. That 3-stage process is what turns a free coding model into something you can actually sell to a business owner who has seen a dozen cookie-cutter websites before. A coffee shop wants to sell gift cards online. You use GLM 5.2 to build a purchase flow, card selection, payment integration, email delivery with a unique code. The shop owner gets a working system in 48 hours. You charge $1,200. The alternative was hiring a Shopify expert to customize their existing site for twice that price. Your version runs on free infrastructure and you keep the margin. Okay, I promised you something at the start of this video. Here it is, the workflow tweak that makes this repeatable. When you finish a project with GLM 5.2, export the full conversation thread. Save it as a template. The next time you get a similar project, another booking page, another knowledge base, another gift card system, you load that saved thread and modify only the client-specific details. Name, branding, unique features. The underlying structure stays identical. That is how you go from building 1 website in a week to building 3 in the same time frame, because you are not starting from scratch every time. You are iterating on proven patterns. Most platforms make you rebuild everything from zero every single project. GLM 5.2 lets you carry the work forward because it is just code sitting in a conversation. You own it. You reuse it. That saved thread becomes your asset library, and nobody is charging you monthly to access it. Imagine what your next 30 days look like once you have this running in your stack. A local business reaches out. You quote them for a booking system or a team knowledge base. They say yes. You open GLM 5.2, load your saved template, customize it in 2 hours, and deliver a working product the same day. They pay you upfront. You did not subscribe to anything. You did not wait for approval from a platform. You just built it and moved on to the next one. That is what changes when the tools you rely on cost nothing to operate and everything you create stays yours. If you drop a like, share this with someone who needs it, and comment below, I will reply with a link to a free training I put together for you on how I use AI tools like this one to make money.